Okay, so I got my little strawberry bare root seedlings, and as you can see here, it's really just roots and a crown. And the strawberry plant has sprouted in the last day or so. And I want to plant these for the tower garden. There was a little bit of dirt. I washed it all off. I've got my Rockwell cubes that I soaked. So I'm gonna rip one in half. This is so easy to do. And then take your strawberry plant, and if you notice, there's the crown and here's the roots. You want the crown above the cube, like that. And I'm gonna sandwich it, and then sandwich it, and this is ready to plant. So about a week and a half later, I finally planted my strawberries, and don't they look great? There's 32 there, and 32 in that other microgreen kit, and I'm so excited. I will keep you guys updated as they grow.